Your favorite email automation app just got even better. Here's what's new with ChatGPT for Gmail by cloudHQ. Work as a team. Easily share quick reply prompts and context menu prompts to keep everyone on your team productive and consistent in their email communications, whether for your company or your project. In your dashboard, simply add or remove users from your ChatGPT prompt library access and let ChatGPT help them achieve their email communication goals. Secure your settings. Server-side storage always keeps your prompts accessible so long as you have an internet connection. All your prompts and configurations, like menu options and quick reply buttons, are now stored securely in the cloud. Enjoy consistent access across all devices, ensuring your workflow is seamless and reliable. Scale effortlessly. Add as many pages of new prompts as you need without worrying about storage limits. Lastly, unlock your creativity in ChatGPT with unlimited prompt length. With no restrictions, you can freely craft detailed prompts, while ChatGPT for Gmail handles all your email outreach and replies effortlessly. These updates are designed to supercharge your workflow and give you and your team the tools needed to succeed. Try ChatGPT for Gmail today. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.